Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into Oppo Find X3 Lite. First of all, go into settings and find Convenience Tools, this one. Then go into screen recording option, and here we got video resolution. So if you click this option, here you got 4 options to choose: high, medium, low and custom video resolution. Oh, sorry. Okay, if you choose custom, you can choose your resolution, your bit rate for video, and for saving this option, for example, need click back and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.